Howdy folks, this is Hal, your friendly geology instructor, along with the spring 2022 Earth History class. We are in the midst of an epic downpour. Let's see if we're still seeing sediment transport in action. Woo! Hopefully you heard the thunder. So yeah, check this out. We've got overland flow, meaning the water is pooled up on the surface and it's now streaming down on the landscape. So if we get nice and close there, you can see there's water moving. Great. Evidence of sediment transport. It's not going quite as intense as it was a moment ago, but you can still see little rocks moving along. Let's see if we can get another one of those guys going. So right here we've got a huge amount of gravel that's just been deposited. And if there's deposition, that means there must be erosion somewhere. This channel right here did not exist 10 minutes ago. And now it exists. So that's all fresh erosion. The dirt in the water would be your sediment transport, fine-grained sediment.
You can see the source up there.
You can see we've got a source area up there where the water's coming from. It's coming down here. Right here we've got a little lag deposit. So the light pole is diverting the water and creating an area with lower velocity, allowing the gravel to accumulate there. You can see it's all on rock, or sorry, pavement, that's the word. So that's telling us that just got deposited there. It's not normally there. Here's our main channel, no sediment whatsoever. So we can follow this along. Here's our super fast flow. Here's the slower flow. We're seeing gravel getting ripped off of there on the edges. All sorts of sediment transport happening. Nick, what were you saying?
So this is like you can imagine this is like a bedrock deposit here, and sediment is getting forced around, or the water's getting forced around, the sediment's building up, and then you have more of a lazier, wider, shallower flow here, and then you have your buildup along the sides, and see if any oxbows form. Probably won't last long enough to do that. But
yeah, that's a good analogy for bedrock in the channel that's resistant to erosion.
There's like a line of like pumice down there that was just deposited because it's lighter.
we're having a blast.
We're geologizing. So there's some lovely sediment transport of fine-grade sediment splashing in here. We've got more enhanced channel cutting right there. What do we got down here? Ah, the pumice. So pumice, our lightest rock, nice and light, for some reason getting preferentially sorted right here. That's pretty cool. What else do we have going on? Ooh, we've got a lake forming. There's some high velocity water coming out. There's our pond. Good times. And there we've got people wondering what the hell we're doing.
How often do you see that as a geologist?
It's fairly common. Yeah? Well, it's telling us that why did the water cross the road? It's got to be easier for it to do that, so it gets slightly lower off to that side. Yeah, this is great. I'm gonna stop filming.